Discover the meticulous process behind tilapia production, where precise timing and modern technology come together to deliver high-quality fish from farm to table. From harvesting to packaging, every step is carefully managed in large-scale factory settings. So, how do they do it? The journey of tilapia begins with harvesting, a process that requires careful planning and execution to ensure the best quality tilapia. The fish are carefully harvested from recirculating aquaculture systems, where they are grown. On harvest day, a coordinated crew crowds the fish into a designated area of the tank, then gently scoops them out. The fish are weighed in baskets before being transferred to a live haul truck. These trucks are equipped with tanks filled with water and a steady oxygen flow to keep the fish alive during transport. The tilapia are transported alive to their final destination, such as markets in New York City, where they are in high demand. The careful handling throughout the process ensures that the fish arrive in excellent condition, with a survival rate of over 98%. The journey of tilapia from the water to the processing facility is a well-coordinated operation that begins as soon as the truck carrying the live fish arrives. Unloading the tilapia is done with great care to ensure that the fish remain in optimal condition. Once the fish are inside the facility, they are immediately sorted by size. This grading process is crucial as it ensures that the fish are organized by their dimensions, which is important for the subsequent stages of processing. The fish are directed into different lanes based on their size, ensuring that similar-sized fish are processed together, which enhances the efficiency of the operation. After the grading process, the tilapia are sent to the filleting station, where skilled workers take over. This is where precision is paramount, as each fish is carefully cut into fillets. The workers remove the bones and any inedible parts, leaving only the best portions of the fish. The goal is to maximize the yield from each fish while minimizing waste, making the workers' expertise a key factor in the process. The accuracy of their cuts directly influences how much of the fish can be utilized, which is why their skills are so important to the operation. To support the workers in this delicate task, each workstation is equipped with a variety of tools and equipment designed to enhance performance and efficiency. Manually adjustable platforms allow workers to customize the height of their workstations, ensuring that they can maintain comfortable and ergonomic positions throughout their shifts. This reduces fatigue and helps maintain a consistent level of performance. Water nozzles are also available at each station, keeping the work area clean and assisting in the preparation of the tilapia. Knife holders provide easy access to the necessary tools, allowing workers to maintain their focus on the filleting process without unnecessary interruptions. In addition to these tools, each workstation is equipped with a data terminal that tracks the performance of individual workers. These terminals monitor how much fish each worker processes, as well as how much product is wasted during the filleting process. This data is invaluable for the management team, as it provides real-time insights into the efficiency of the operation. By analyzing this data, managers can identify areas for improvement and implement changes that help minimize waste and maximize the yield from each fish. The entire processing line is closely monitored by advanced computer systems that weigh the tilapia before and after the filleting process. This tracking system ensures that the facility operates at peak efficiency, with minimal waste and maximum output. Through the combination of skilled labor, advanced technology, and a well-organized workflow, the facility is able to process large volumes of tilapia quickly and effectively. After the initial filleting, the tilapia moves through a rigorous quality control process to ensure that the highest standards are met before the fish continues along the production line. Random samples of the fillets are selected and sent to quality inspectors, who meticulously check the overall quality of the product. These inspectors evaluate the fillets for any defects in the cuts, the overall precision of the filleting, and the quantity of usable fish. The findings are then communicated back to the skilled workers who perform the filleting, providing them with valuable feedback that helps them refine their technique. This feedback loop is essential for maintaining a consistent standard of quality across the entire operation, as it allows workers to continually improve their skills based on real-time quality assessments. Once the initial quality checks are complete, the filleted fish is sent to the skinning machines. These machines carefully remove the skin from the fillets, a process that requires both precision and care to ensure that the underlying flesh remains intact and of high quality. The skinned fillets are then passed on to the trimming operators, who play a critical role in refining the product further. The trimming operators meticulously inspect each fillet, removing any remaining imperfections to enhance the quality of the final product. Their work is crucial in ensuring that the fillets meet the facility's stringent quality standards before moving on to the next stage. To maintain accuracy and efficiency, the tilapia is weighed both before and after the trimming process. This weight data is used to calculate the yield for each trimming operator, helping to monitor their performance and identify any areas where further improvement might be needed. The trimming operators receive feedback based on these calculations, allowing them to adjust their techniques as necessary to maximize yield and minimize waste. After trimming, the tilapia fillets are sent to another quality control station where inspectors conduct a final round of inspections. These inspectors are tasked with registering any defects they find in the fillets. If a defect is detected, the inspector has the ability to communicate directly with the trimming operator responsible for that particular fillet. This direct feedback mechanism is designed to ensure that any issues are addressed immediately, allowing trimming operators to correct their approach and prevent similar defects from occurring in future batches. This continuous loop of inspection, feedback, and improvement helps the facility maintain the highest standards of quality, ensuring that each fillet meets the expectations set by the company and the demands of the consumers. Through these meticulous quality control measures, the facility ensures that only the best tilapia fillets make it through to the final stages of processing, ready to be packaged and shipped to customers around the world. After the tilapia fillets are processed, they move on to the packaging stage. Each fillet is carefully weighed to ensure it meets the precise portion size required. Employees then stack the fillets into boxes, ensuring that each box reaches the specific weight needed for quality control. To maintain consistency, another team member double-checks the weight of each box, verifying that it aligns with the distribution standards. Once confirmed, the boxes are securely closed, labeled, and marked for delivery. These carefully packaged tilapia fillets are then sent to distribution centers, where they are prepared for shipment to consumers worldwide. The entire process, from weighing to packaging, is designed to maintain the high quality of the product, ensuring that customers receive fresh and perfectly portioned tilapia, whether it's destined for a local market or an international destination. This attention to detail guarantees that the fillets arrive in optimal condition, ready for consumer enjoyment. The final stage in the tilapia production process is reaching the consumer. Retailers typically display the tilapia in refrigerated sections to maintain its freshness until it is purchased. Consumers can find the fish clearly labeled with important information about its origin, freshness, and nutritional content. This transparency allows consumers to make informed choices about the fish they buy. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from farm to the fresh tilapia on your plate. If you're interested in more captivating stories, don't miss our next video on the luxurious and intricate production of caviar.